In this video, I will show how to delete a document from your Microsoft Word Office in mobile. So once you open your Microsoft Word, so you will see a list of recent files. To delete them, click on this three dot and delete. No connection, we can't delete the file. Check your internet connection and try again. So turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile, turn on internet connection and try to delete it. So this way you can delete your document. Also there is the option you can remove from list or delete. So thanks for watching.